Good morning, class. From today, we are going to start computers, and we shall start with chapter 2, uses of computer. So, children, in class 1, we have learnt what are computers. We have also seen and learnt how to do typing in computers, how to do drawing and coloring using MS Paint in computers. So we have seen some uses of computer in class 1. Now we shall see more uses of computers. So children, you must have visited places like banks, supermarkets, hospitals, railway stations, airports. So you must have seen computers there. So let us understand how computers are used at these places. So we shall understand one by one. We shall look at some of the pictures, and through pictures we shall understand how computers are used at these places. So first is shops and supermarkets. In shops and supermarkets, computers are used to monitor customers' movements. It is also used to calculate bills. Now let us look at some of the pictures and understand these. So this is a picture of a supermarket. This is the cash counter or the billing counter of a supermarket. Now what is in this picture? These two ladies are cashiers. Okay? These are their computers. Now what are they doing in this picture? How are they using the computers? In the baskets, some customers have selected some products or the items, and these products and items are scanned by these cashiers. As they are scanned, there they appear on computer screens for billing. So, computers in supermarkets are used to prepare bills. Okay? Now let us understand the next picture. Here this is a monitor in supermarket. This is a big monitor. This is a big monitor screen. This monitor screen is divided into small screens. Small screens. So what do we see in these small screens? They are coming from the different parts, sections or portions of supermarket. So this is vegetable area of the supermarket. This is a grocery area. These are the stairs, cash counters. So various cameras are there in the supermarkets, and these feeds or these screens are coming from those cameras. So computers in this way are also used to monitor customers' movements in supermarkets. Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. So nowadays we can do shopping using our computers online. So we can do online shopping also. Some of the sites like flipkart.com, Amazon. So these sites we can use for online shopping. Okay, so we have seen how computers are used at shops and supermarkets. Now next place is banks. In banks, computers are used to maintain the accounts of customers. It also helps us to withdraw money from ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Now let us understand these through some pictures. Okay, so this is a picture in front of you all. This is a picture of a bank. This is a bank. Okay, so what do we see in this picture? This person is a bank employee or a bank person. This is his computer. So what he is doing? These are customers of the bank. So as this bank person attends customers one by one, he opens their details on his computer. So computers in bank are used to store customer details. Now let's go to next picture. This is a picture of an ATM machine. This man is using ATM machine for some bank transaction. What we can do in ATM? We can withdraw money, we can deposit money, we can transfer money. So ATM machines, computers are part of ATM machines. So when you give some information using touch screens, they are processed by computers and then your money comes out of the machine. So nowadays we can do online banking using computers, laptops, tablets, mobiles. So we have seen how computers are used in banks. So children, today we have learned how computers are used in shops, supermarkets and banks. So I shall end my today's class here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And in next class we shall see some more places where computers are used. So thank you. Have a nice day.